Am I lying? Am I lying? Okay. What up, everybody? It's your boy, Chris. All right, listen up. The holiday season is officially here, and I've got a big surprise for you. Every year at Gadventures, I am given the very important job of creating our annual holiday card. This card is how we show our travel community how much they mean to us. It's a pretty big deal. And this year, I'm going to give you a step-by-step, behind-the-scenes glimpse into my top secret process. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Step 2. Prepare your workstation. I've got a stand-up desk. Step 3. Embark on your creative journey. Embark on your creative journey. Embark on your creative journey. Get inspiration. Surf the web. Listen to some music. Go on Pinterest, TikTok, Reddit. Cut a little snowflake. Cut a big snowflake. What is this? Caffeinate. Caffeinate some more. Change your environment. Draw a snowman, a candy cane, cute little penguin with a funny hat. A stupid hat. Ask AI for help. Make holiday card. Make holiday card. Question your entire existence. Why am I here? Make holiday card. Release some frustration. Oh, holiday card! Give yourself a pep talk. Calm down. You calm down. Now, Chris, relax. Take a deep breath. A really deep breath. And remember why you're doing this in the first place. The true meaning of the holidays. Your passion for travel. Spreading love to your community all over the globe will mean the literal world to you. They're the best. And construct the perfect message. Thank you for living the world. And you flip open the little door. Hold on. Thank you for loving the world. And step 4, little bit of glitter. Happy holidays from Gadventures. And me, Chris.